now do suspect 1. So I have suspect 1's envelope. I will take out the sample, suspect 1's empty testing tube. We'll put, again, some rubbing alcohol in there. So rubbing alcohol. Now open up my sample, get a toothpick. Put a little of that sample into the vial. Close both vials. I'm going to invert my tube. Now I'll open it up, put some testing solution in, invert it again, and there you can see the results for suspect 1. Okay, now we'll go to suspect 2. So same procedure. Put my rubbing alcohol in there. Put a little bit of my sample. Invert it. Put the testing solution in there. Invert it again. And there we have the results for suspect 2. Okay, going on to suspect 3. So sample from the envelope, empty tube. Put the rubbing alcohol in there. Get a little bit of the sample. Close both tubes. Invert my testing tube. Put a little of the Bertinol solution in there. Oops, need to get a little more. Invert it, and there we can see the results for the 3rd tube. Okay, and then we just have one more tube left, suspect 4. So take the empty tube, the sample tube, put our rubbing alcohol into the empty tube, open the sample, new toothpick. We want to get a new toothpick every time because we don't want to contaminate any of the samples. Put a little bit of the sample in there. Get some of the testing solution. And invert the test tube. And there are the results for suspect 4. So again, looking, this is suspect 4. Here we have suspect 3, suspect 2, suspect 1, positive control, and negative control. So you should have all the data you need now for that particular lab. Thanks so much for listening and watching. We'll see you later. Have a great one.